stuff. Like there's playing. So what I did was I realized that my drone could stream straight to YouTube with RTMP. So I figured if I stream my drone straight to YouTube, how could I bring that into Ecamm? Well, because I'm streaming it privately, I believe, I can't use the URL as a web widget. I'm going to test that probably tomorrow when I'm actually flying the drone, which, just to let you know, here's the drone. And bam. So there is a good amount of delay, but this looks real nice to me. So what I'm doing right now is I am streaming my drone to YouTube and then screenshotting that to Ecamm. So as I move it around, it's going to take a while because you can see I had the drone in front of me, but it's not on the video yet. But this is a live feed. So tomorrow, if it's not freezing, I'm going to take it in the backyard and I'm going to fly with it. And I'm going to do this trick. I'm going to basically stream it straight to YouTube. And I'm going to screen cap the YouTube here. Now, if it wasn't for the fact of I wouldn't be paying attention to the chat on the other channel or whatever, I could probably test to see if it's not private, if I could just bring it in as a web widget. But I mean, even this quality looks good. There is the delay. It's going all the way to YouTube and everything. I'm screenshotting it. But to me, this is way better than when I try to do, and easier than when I try to do my own web server. So that's crazy. To me, that's crazy. But I like this. This seems to be working pretty good. And I'm going to be curious to when I actually fly it, how's it going to go? But you could take this and literally just go straight to YouTube. But I want to do the commentary, or at least look, be like this. Oh, look, I'm flying, that kind of thing. So we'll see. But yeah, I play too much. I know. All right, later.